In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for Personal Tasks 2025. Let's get you organized fast. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your home area. This is your launchpad. From here, you can create boards, explore templates, and manage everything in one place. On the home screen, look for the blue plus button. Click it to add something new to your workspace. This button is your shortcut to creating boards and items, and today we'll use it to browse ready-made templates. Next, choose Template Center. Monday.com's templates save you a ton of setup time and are designed with common workflows in mind. Inside the Template Center, you'll see a bunch of categories curated by the platform. Go ahead and browse what's available. If you want a curated starting point, click the section labeled From Our Experts. These are polished examples that demonstrate best practices and can spark ideas for how to arrange your personal tasks. If you're planning something that spans a few months, select the 30 to 60 90-day plan. It's a great model for long-term goals and helps you break work into manageable phases. But for a simple personal task system, use the search bar in the Template Center and type the word tasks. That will surface boards specifically designed to track to-dos. From the results, choose the Design Weekly Tasks template. Don't worry about the word design in the title. The structure works well for any weekly personal workload. Before adding it, click into its features. This lets you preview columns, views, and any built-in tips so you know exactly what you're getting. Also, check out the charts and other view options included with the template. Visual views can help you see workload, by status, or due date at a glance. Spend a moment clicking through. Exploring before you commit helps you pick a layout that matches how you think. When you're ready, click Use Template. Monday.com will add a new board to your workspace based on that design. After it loads, open the main table view. The main table is where you'll do most of your editing and where your tasks live in a simple, spreadsheet-like list. Click the first sample item, often named something like Task 1, and rename it to match your real task. Clear names make everything easier to scan later. If an item panel opens on the side, you can close it by clicking the small X once you're done renaming, keeping the focus on the table. Now, move to the priority column. If the sample task is set to high, click it and change it to medium as an example. Priorities help you decide what gets attention first. Be honest with yourself so your list reflects reality. Next to that, look for the status column. Click where it says working on it to reflect your current progress, and when that task is complete, update it to done. Keeping statuses accurate is the simplest way to get reliable board overviews and progress charts. As you continue, note the other helpful columns provided in this template. You'll typically see a description or notes area for quick context, a date or timeline for due dates, and a files column so you can attach documents or images directly to the task. Use these fields to centralize details, add a short description to capture the why, set realistic dates so reminders make sense, and attach any reference files you need later. The more consistent you are, the less time you'll spend hunting for information. That's the full setup using a template. Open Monday.com, create from the Template Center, preview the features, apply the template, work in the main table, rename tasks to fit your life, adjust priority and status as you go, and rely on the built-in columns to keep everything tidy. With this foundation, your personal task board becomes a dependable home for daily action, weekly planning, and long-term follow-through.